Hello, everyone, and welcome back to EasySpeak English Podcast. I'm John, and I'm very happy you are here with me today. Take a deep breath, relax your mind, and get ready to listen to a new story in slow and easy English. This story is designed to help you improve your listening, vocabulary, and understanding. You don't need to understand every word, just listen, relax, and enjoy the journey. Today's story is about hope, purpose, and inner strength. It is about a man who faced very difficult times, but discovered something powerful inside himself. Are you ready? Let's begin. So, a man named Arian. There was once a man named Arian. He lived in a quiet city in India, near the mountains. Arian was a thoughtful person who liked to help others. He worked as a counselor, and many people came to him when they felt sad, confused, or lost. Arian listened carefully to everyone. He believed that every person has a reason to live and a purpose to follow. He often told his patients, "Life is not always easy, but it always has meaning. Sometimes we just need time to find it." Arian loved his simple life. He lived with his wife, Aisha, in a small but warm apartment. They enjoyed drinking tea together in the evening and walking in the park on weekends. Arian also loved reading books and writing notes about human thoughts and emotions. He dreamed of writing a book one day to help people understand life better. Everything felt calm and peaceful. But one year, everything changed. A sudden change. A serious conflict began in Arian's country. The streets became unsafe. Many people lost their jobs and homes. Fear spread everywhere. Arian tried to stay strong and support others, but one day soldiers came to his neighborhood and took many people away. Arian and his wife were separated. He was sent to a distant work camp, far from his home. He had no idea where Aisha was or if she was safe. The journey was long and uncomfortable. Many people on the transport were tired, hungry, and afraid. No one knew what would happen next. When Arian arrived at the camp, he saw a cold and difficult place. The buildings were old, the beds were hard, the food was very little. Every day, people worked for long hours in tough conditions. Many felt hopeless and exhausted. Arian lost everything he once had: his home, his work, his freedom, and contact with his family. But he still had something inside him that no one could take away: his mind and his thoughts. The power of thought. At first, Arian felt deep sadness. At night, he lay on his narrow bed and stared at the ceiling. He wondered if he would ever see his wife again. He wondered if his life still had meaning. But slowly he began to observe the people around him. He noticed that even in this difficult place, some people behaved differently. Some people shared their small portions of food. Some spoke kindly to others. Some helped weak friends stand up after a long day of work. Arian asked himself, how can kindness exist in a place like this? He realized something important. People who still had a sense of purpose seemed stronger. Their bodies were tired, but their minds were alive. They found small reasons to continue living. This discovery gave Arian a new idea. He thought, if I keep a purpose in my heart, maybe I can stay strong too, holding on to meaning. Every day Arian started creating small goals for himself. When he woke up in the cold morning air, he told himself, I will survive this day. I will learn something from this experience. I will not lose hope. During work hours, he observed people and their behavior. He quietly encouraged those who felt weak. Sometimes he shared a few kind words. Sometimes he simply listened. These small actions made him feel useful again. At night, Arian used his imagination. He closed his eyes and pictured his wife, Aisha, smiling at him. He imagined walking with her in the park and talking about their future. Even though he did not know where she was, these thoughts gave him warmth and comfort. He realized that memories and dreams could keep a person alive inside. Even when everything outside is dark, the mind can still create light. Small moments of light. Winter arrived, and the days became even harder. The air was freezing, and the ground was covered in snow. Food was limited, and people felt weaker than before. One morning, while walking to work, Arian noticed the sunrise. The sky slowly changed from dark gray to soft orange and pink. For a moment, everyone stopped walking and looked at the sky. No one spoke. They simply watched the light appear. Arian felt a quiet warmth in his heart. He thought, even here, beauty still exists. The world still has color and light. From that day on, he tried to notice small, beautiful moments. A warm cup of soup, a friendly smile, a quiet conversation. These small moments became powerful reminders that life still had value. Helping others. As weeks passed, Arian became known as someone who listened. People came to him in the evenings to talk about their fears and memories. He could not change their situation, but he could offer understanding. He encouraged them to think about something meaningful, a loved one, a dream, or a goal for the future. He told them, "When you remember why you want to live, you find strength to continue." Many people felt calmer after speaking with him. They realized that even in a difficult place, they still had the powers to choose their thoughts and attitudes. Arian himself felt stronger too. Helping others gave him a sense of purpose. It reminded him that his life still mattered, freedom and reflection. After a long time, the conflict ended. The camp was finally opened, and people were allowed to leave. Arian walked outside slowly. He was thin and weak, but he was alive. The open sky felt strange after so long, behind fences. He returned to his city and searched for his wife. After many days, he found her safe in another town. Their reunion was quiet and emotional. They had both changed, but they were grateful to be alive together again. So, Arian began rebuilding his life. He returned to his work as a counselor and started writing about what he had learned. He wrote about hope, meaning, and the strength of the human mind. He believed that even in the hardest situations, people can find a reason to continue. Yeah, final thoughts. Dear listeners, this story reminds us that life will sometimes challenge us. There will be moments of difficulty and uncertainty, but inside each of us is a quiet strength. When we focus on meaning, hope, and kindness, we can move forward step by step. As you continue learning English, remember that progress takes time. Be patient with yourself. Listen every day. Practice a little and celebrate small improvements. Just like Arian, you can find purpose in your journey. Thank you for listening to EasySpeak English Podcast. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep believing in yourself. See you tomorrow at 7 p.m. We'll be waiting for you.